kaibigan. Solid line-up, parehas. Okay. Start of the ball game between Masbate and Kamsur, Youngblood. Boy, nakalang jersey number 19. In and out. Sponsor, binigay kay Villanueva. Nakanlali. Pinasay. Number 2, Bonjon. In and out. Around the rebound. Binigay number 2. Pasko for the parking lot. In and out. Nakanlali. Up and away. Jose the rebound, binigay kay Bonjon, nakalali. 14 to shoot. Bonjon, binigay kay Villanueva. 9 to shoot. Nakalali, libreng libre, inilaw. Ara again, wala. 15 to shoot. Abolo, wala pa rin. Pasko. Binigay kay Amolo, stop and jump, short. Villanueva on the rebound. Binigay kay Landale, back to Villanueva. Bonjon, losing the ball, connect for 2 points by Bonjon. Number 11, binigay kay Pasko. 14 to shoot. Binigay kay Ara, 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Santiago on the rebound, binigay Ponce. Ponce, haras kay Ara. Binigay kay Landale. 16 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Villanueva. Binigay kay Santiago. Wala. 7 to shoot. Santiago again. Correct for 2 points by Santiago. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. It's a score 4-0. Amolo. Bigay kay Ara sa ilalim. Using the ball. Correct for 2 points by Ara. Villanueva, binigay kay Bonjon, Villanueva again. Binigay kay Landale, Landale. Full drop, in and out. Santiago on the rebound. 8 to shoot. Bonjon. Nice block, kaya na. That's 2 seconds. First shot, correct. Binigay kay Ponce. 12 to shoot. Ponce.
Ano yun? Tahimik ah.
Amolo, binigay kay Asuncion. Pumeke, stop and jump. Kulang for 2 points by Asuncion. 44-27, isa score. Amolo. Amolo. Bigay kay Abrete. Kulang for 2 points. Jose, for the parking lot, for Wilhelm. Arcangel, may nakalali. Wala pa rin. May foul. On jersey number 72. Offensive foul. Arcangel, first personal foul. Taas mo tayo ang balo. Nilulupa ang mga kaibigan. Lakan-lali. Ang mag-24, binigay kay Ponce. 15 to shoot. Ponce, for the parking lot. May foul.
45,
Foul on jersey number 19. 6 on the shot clock. Pilayo po na parking lot. Wala. Masusunod ng rebound. Binigay kay Vasco. Nakita si Ara. Nice defense kay Ramos. Ramos, alas by Vasco. Nice defense by Vasco. Alas by Vasco. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tuloy po naman by Yatur. Paso ngayon. Paso, may foul. Jersey number 12. May foul. Foul on jersey number 7, Pilayo. First personal foul. Third, big foul. Sa position left. Yator out. Third na may pasok. First shot, correct. Second go, correct. Ramos sa last line tali. For 13 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Pinali pa ni Vasco.